children, welcome to this new class of where we will study about a poem about a young kangaroo. So Wilma Wallaby is a kangaroo. Let's see what the poem is. Wilma Wallaby hopped along and burst into a cheery song. So Wilma Wallaby is a kangaroo, as you can see in this picture. He was hopping around with a happy going song. Cheery song means happy song. In the hot Australian sun, she loved to hop and skip and run. So, where are the kangaroos found? Kangaroos are found in Australia. So, in the hot Australian sun, she loved to hop, skip and run. An injured bird heard Wilma sing and said, "Please stop, I've hurt my wing." So as Wilma was walking along or hopping along, singing the beautiful happy going song, an injured bird heard his song and asked him to stop by. And why should he stop? Because the bird was hurt in his wing. So Wilma stopped and bending down, she picked the bird up off the ground. So Wilma heard the bird and he stopped there, bent and picked up the bird from the ground and popped him in her pouch so he was safe from dangers there might be. So what did he do? He picked up the bird and put it in his pouch. So kangaroos have a pouch. So you can see there's a pouch over here, and he hid the bird in his pouch. Why? Because there might have been many dangers and the bird would have been unsafe. She found him bits of food to eat until the bird was on his feet. So what did she find? She then gave the bird a lot of things to eat until the bird was fit and fine. And thanking Wilma for her care, he flew away into the air. So when the bird was okay, when he was on his feet, he thanked Wilma and flew away in the air. Wilma missed her little friend, but when the day came to an end, when the bird flew away, Wilma was very sad and he missed him. But when the day came to an end, so as the day came to an end, when the sun was about to set, he flew back down to have a sleep in Wilma's pouch so warm and deep. So the bird came back to Wilma and got into his pouch to have a warm and deep sleep. So this is all about the story about Wilma Wallaby. So children, let's see and do some exercises. Wilma missed her. What is to be filled in here? Little. Little, little friend. But when the day came, came to an end, it is not flow, it is flew. So correct it. He flew back down to have a sleep in Wilma's pouch. Pouch. So warm and deep. So children, you got it? Okay. Now let's see some rhyming words. So in this poem, you have many rhyming words. Let's find it out and I'll show you what these are. Like in the first, you can have along and song. This is a rhyming word. Sun and run. This kind of rhyming words are there in your poem, and we will find it out, some of them, and write it down in the exercise that is given below. So let's see what we have to fill in. Okay, we'll have to write down at least 5 pairs of such rhyming words. So let's write 5 of them. So one pair is along, and the rhyming word is song. Then sun, and we have run. Then sing, S-I-N-G, sing, and there we have the wing. Then eat, E-A-T, eat, and F-E-E-T, feet. And lastly it is sleep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep, and the rhyming word is D-E-E-P, D. So isn't it fun? Okay, now let's do something more. We have some grammar part. The following words are similar sounding. Use them in the correct way. So let's see what kind of similar sounding words we can learn. Herd, H-E-A-R-D, herd, जिसका मतलब होता है सुनना, और H-E-R-D, herd means a group of sheep or cow or goat. We call them herd as a collective noun. Hurt, चोट लगना, hurt, दिल. Off मतलब चले जाना, off मतलब इसका. Then sleep, सोना, slip मतलब मिस करना. Missed मतलब चूक जाना, and mist होता है, it is the fog that is called the mist. Now let's see what we have to do. We have to use all these words correctly over here. So we will do it and we'll have a lot of fun here. The buffalo herd thundered across the plain. The buffalo herd, H-E-R-D, herd, thundered across the plain. So it is a collective noun that is used for the cattle buffalo. The injured, sorry children, so the buffalo herd thundered across the plain. Yes, it is H-E-R-D, herd. The injured bird heard, H-E-A-R-D. The injured bird heard Wilma sing. So Wilma was singing and the injured bird heard it, sun liya. Wilma picked the bird off, O-F-F, off the ground. What was the name of the wallaby? Don't run on the wet floor. You might slip, yani फिसल जाना. The bird went to sleep in Wilma's pouch. The wallaby missed the bird. There was heavy mist in the morning. So children, I hope you understood how we will use these pair of words in different sentences. Now we'll do the opposites. So children, you know opposites. So we'll do it. The opposite of hot is cold, down, up, safe, unsafe, little, more, friend, enemy, day, night, sleep, awake, awake माने जाग जाना, deep, deep मतलब गहरा, shallow means कम गहरा. So these are all the opposites of the words given. So children, I think this is all for today. So we'll meet with a new chapter again in our next session. Till then, have a nice time.